What's going on? First bike video. We're at a stoplight right now because I guess our city believes in those. But here with John, his fucking dirt bike looking bitch. About to fuck it up to some bridge or something. We're gonna ride to some bridge. So I got the directions on. Let's go, Grandpa. So yeah, first video with the bike. Well, first like ride with the bike. Got the GoPro all mounted up and set up now for future videos as well. $15K red line. On some goon shit as usual. My mirrors are cloudy as fuck, and pretty much so yeah, he's got like a KTM Duke 690. KTM makes a lot of like dirt bikes and shit. It's actually a pretty cool bike. I'm short as fuck, so I can't even sit on it. Comes with like a factory Acura Povik exhaust or some shit. I don't even know. It sounds good as fuck. That's all I know. But yeah, this is the bike. I got the full fairing kit on. It's black, but I got all the fairings I was missing from when I bought the bike, if you were following along or if you weren't. The bike was missing fairings. It was missing the side fairing on the right side, as well as all the under panels. So I got those from somebody, so it all matches now. So the bike is all one color, and it's all the fairings are there. They're not like in perfect condition. There are some scratches and shit, but yeah, the bike right now looks a lot better than when I bought it. It's lowered 3 inches, so the thing is damn near on the ground. Other things I have to do yet is fork seals, and what else? I don't even know. Fork seals. I got new levers to put on soon. Don't mind us running our goon shit again. But yeah, I got levers to put on. I got to place the fork seals because obviously the person who owned this before me didn't know how to wheelie and have fucked up the fork seals now, so I got to replace that. It's kind of mod duty. But other things going on is going to be, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. There's a lot of shit you can do to bikes that I haven't really discovered yet. I know I want to get full exhaust for sure right now, because this thing it's not loud, but it's not quiet. Like for a bike, it's like in the middle, which is good for now because I'm not trying to cause too much havoc. But it does, I do want it to wreak a lot more havoc later on in the future. But I just ran over 45,000 miles as of yesterday, actually. So this thing is getting fucking old. It's gonna be an old man here. I was hoping that we'd get a cop. That'd be so funny. This thing sounds good as fuck though. I had never heard a bad sounding bike yet. So honestly, bikes in general are one of those things where really they don't sound bad unless you try to make them sound bad. Like cars, you can straight pipe and have them sound like shit, but bikes, even a straight pipe bike sounds good as fuck. Like I have not heard a bike that does not sound fucking amazeballs. Did I make a word? I think I made a word. I think I low-key just made a word. But no, seriously, I try not to ride like a dick all the time. I try to, you know, mind my lane and what I can control. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff on a bike you can't control. So, you know, being smart about it does a lot. I'm gonna go here and John's gonna go as well. Yes, sir. So everybody should own a bike. I feel like everybody should at least own a motorcycle once in their life. This shit is way too much fun to not ever have the power of having. It almost feels illegal having a bike. The way I drive it, it actually usually is illegal, but it's not the point. The point is, bikes are cool as fuck. And if you're thinking about getting a bike, you should just get one. And personally, some of you may be new to the channel. If you are new, hello, welcome. My name's Nick, I do dumb shit. If you are not new, you guys know I own 2 RSXs, and they're pretty slow cars, so upgrading from an RSX to this is like a fucking night and day difference. The RSX has like 150 horsepower, the base model does, and this thing has like 120. And this thing weighs like, I don't know, 1/8 of what that thing weighs. So it's a lot of power. The 600s are pretty nice bikes. They have a lot of power for what they weigh. One thing is roundabouts, they kind of suck, but they're not terrible. If you get the right lean angle and you know what you're doing. Neutral dropping it, let's go, baby! I love doing that. Just don't kick it high enough, it goes to fucking neutral. But yeah, we are headed to a bridge. It's like a, I don't know, 20-minute drive from me. It's I don't know if it's really famous, but it's definitely well known. So we're gonna take in some pictures and shit when we're there, and then we're gonna do whatever. Cause I got a new camera. So yeah, shout out to that. I got a new camera. It's a Nikon D3500. It's a DSLR camera. So my first ever DSLR camera. So I'm going to be getting into a lot more photography, and it'll also help with the videos now, so the videos won't be shot with the GoPro. So it'll be a lot better quality on that end. GoPro is really nice for a lot of things. It's just not really that nice for shooting close up. It's good for stuff like this, like action shots. It's really not good for shooting close up and shit. But yeah, we're going to be going there. And on the way, we're going to be doing hood rat shit. We both have the intercom set up so we can hear each other at some point in time. I don't have it on now because it's really loud when he's talking, and then you won't be able to hear me or anything else going on. It also translates a lot of wind noise through. But we're going to fine tune the settings and shit. We both just got it. I had mine for a while. It came with my helmet. So, yeah. Sounds so good, dude. So good. Damn near scraped my pegs on that shit. Alright, well that's enough of that. The other crazy thing about bikes is this shit tops out at, well, the Speedo says 160 it tops out at, but in reality, the way the bikes read, speed and shit, they don't really top out at that. They top out more like, on this bike at least, more like 140, depending on your gearing and shit. But I don't know why the sun is in my fucking face all the time. Like, we turn that way, it wasn't in my face. We turn this way, it's still in my face. But yeah. Look at that whole go. His bike is louder than mine. because it's a dirt bike. His revs to 8K, mine revs to 15. So, joke's on him. So I'm gonna cut the recording now, and then I'll kind of start and stop periodically, but if not, I will see you at the covered bridge, it's called. Bitch, somebody took a picture with their bike on that shit. I suppose you can't get your bike on this hoe. I'm going on this hoe. I could fit. Are you supposed to? Yeah. Hopefully this holds me, dude. Not gonna lie. We should test this shit first. Okay, it looks pretty good. Hold on. It's more like a bike track, it looks like. Like pedal bike, but it didn't say no motorized bikes. Yeah. Oh, gravel. I forgot I hated you. Fire. I feel like it's totally illegal to be on there with your bike. I'm gonna get a picture in the grass here. We're getting ready to leave the spot now. We just got some pictures. It's dark out now. I was just testing the camera out here. It's a pretty nice area. We also found out we can't legally go on that bridge. There's not really a sign that says no motorbikes, but we kind of process elimination. We're all fogged up because it's cold. It's getting cold as fuck. It's like fucking 56 degrees out. By the time we get home, it'll probably be 40. So shout out Wisconsin. We're gonna get the fuck out of this hole. This is pretty much the end of the video. Just kind of a little intro and first time POV for the bike. Yeah, I took some decent pictures. They weren't terrible, I won't lie. They weren't really that good. I'm just experimenting with the camera. A lot of the settings you gotta fuck with a lot to be able to get used to and shit, so it's just a little bit of a drive home. It's like 20 minutes or so. So we're gonna drive home and that'll be the end of the day. I'm going to bed because I work at 5 a.m. unlike some people. But yeah, this is the bike. Things fell off actually on the way here. The crash bars that are on the side of the bike, one of them was loose as fuck. I wasn't able to take a picture and John actually fucking noticed it. John fucking noticed it and it was coming off. I was like, dude, what the fuck? So that came off. Things are falling off this bike left and right. I don't get it. That's the bridge that I wanted to go on. I don't think you can go on it. And we got another bridge, because it was a little different. But maybe one day we'll go back here and actually go on the bridge. But for now, we're not going to. Still can't see shit on my visor. So visor has to stay open for now. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We're going to have a lot more bike content in the future. Just right now, I'm just experimenting with stuff, experimenting with the camera and stuff, and experimenting with everything. So make sure you guys check out more bike stuff later. But this is John. Say goodbye, John. And then we're out. So we will see you guys in the next one. Adios, motherfuckers.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you see